Good day everyone. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to know if you are due for monetization, and I'll be showing you if your followers is up to the amount of monetization or if your watch minute view is up to the amount of monetization. So in this video, I'll be showing you. So stay tuned and watch this video. And please, if you are seeing me for the first time, don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to follow this page. Thank you. Here we go. Now you enter your Facebook. You click on it. This is my Facebook. Then let's move to my page. Alright, here is what you're going to do. You click on menu, and now you're in your menu. See this part that they say professional dashboard. You click on it. Now look at it. Look at how it is. Look at my reach during the previous 28 days. Then you go down here that they put monetization, page recommendation, aid center, fan engagement, invite friends to follow. This first one, monetization, you click on it. Now they say aids on real, bonuses, live aids, in stream aids. These are ways to earn money on Facebook. So if you it's only Facebook that will recommend this reel for you. If you are due, I'm not due for it. So this only Facebook that will unlock that for you. But see this major two, that's what you are dealing at. This live aid, then this in stream aid, then this live aid, we click on it. Now look at it. I've already passed this one. This is my first step, then this is my second step. I have this in 326,000 view. Then this one, this 3,000, then 3,000 followers. So that's it. So I'm now, this page of mine is it's not even up to 1 month. I started growing it. So you can actually, let me click on the other one. Then this stream aid, you click on it. If you want to start earning money fast, it's just by this one. Look at it. I've already passed this one. Look at the steps. So it's just remaining my followers. As you can see, that here is 5,000. So if this followers complete 5,000, so I'll be eligible for monetization. So I hope you understand this video, and if you do, please don't forget to do me a favor by liking this video, and don't forget to share, and of course follow this page. Thanks.